Want to watch NFL Plus on your big screen? In this quick guide, I will show you how to get NFL Plus on your TV and start streaming right away. Live local and primetime games on NFL Plus are only available on mobile and tablet. But you can watch full replays, condensed games, highlights, and NFL Network on your TV. On your smart TV, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or other streaming device, go to the App Store and search for NFL. Download and install the NFL app. Open the app, go to Settings, and select Sign In. You'll see an activation code. On your phone or computer, go to nfl.com/activate. Enter the code and log in with your NFL Plus account. Once activated, you can browse the app for replays, NFL Network, and other NFL content directly on your TV. And that's how to get NFL Plus on your TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.